We've got 5 different panes of glass. They all have a heat lamp on the inside. So what this is showing you is when it's 30 degrees outside, how much heat is going to transfer into the inside of your home. So the first one here is clear glass. Most of the houses that we go into, this is where they're going to be starting at. A dual pane window with no LoE coating. So you can see it's very warm. Lots of energy passing through to the inside of your house. When we get to the LoE coating, is a really easy way to remember this. LoE 1, LoE 2, LoE 3 is like coats of paint. A single coat, a dual coat, and a triple coat. So a single coat, Centra doesn't even carry. You have to watch out for this because a lot of competitors do quote a LoE 180, and in the renovation market, you do not need to pull a permit. So I could actually sell you a window that doesn't meet code and install it. And you think you're getting new windows with LoE, but the truth is that they don't actually meet the building code requirements in your market. So make sure you pay attention to that. A LoE 2, which is Centra's base. This is our bare minimum. We don't sell anything underneath this. Has a dual coat of LoE, and as you can see, from a clear glass to a LoE 2, there's a pretty significant difference there. So we're gonna block quite a bit of heat with that LoE 2. But the nice part about it is that it's a very well balanced LoE. It'll still give you a little bit of solar gain in the summer. You're not gonna block it out completely, but it still does block a lot of the damaging UV when it's really hot out. Some customers want to upgrade to a LoE 3, especially here in the Okanagan. You have a big southern facing window that you have to keep your blinds down all summer long because it's 35 degrees and you can't stand sitting beside it. This is where a LoE 3 will come in very handy. It's not a very expensive upgrade. Definitely worth it if you know that it's going to be more comfortable in your home to have that extra UV protection. Lastly, we've got I-89. So I-89 is different than LoE 1, 2, or 3 because these coatings are all done on the exterior. A LoE I-89 is on the interior, and this is the LoE coating that you'll need if you want to go after any of the government or Fortis rebates that are available today.